What's up? Gene Wolf here, aka the Jedi Marketer. And if you are currently scouring the internet, maybe you're on YouTube and you probably typed in whether, how to work from home, how to make money online, or work from home, how to start a home-based business using the internet or something like that, this is the video for you. More than likely you're a newbie, right? Because if you're searching out those type of search terms, you're probably a newbie. Newbies in this industry tend to fail 99% of the time, and I'll tell you why. Most people who fail in internet marketing, when they try to start out a business, they fail because they join, buy, and try things out. So they're buying products, they're doing systems, they're doing high ticket offers, but they've never really tested out whether or not these products work. They're just jumping in. Somebody pitched them a really nice sales video, and they got hyped up because of all the glamour, the cars, the homes, the vacations, all those things. Really good selling tools, right? But I'll tell you right now, being in this industry for over 10 years now, it's just sales. That's all it really is. Most people that are behind the cameras, when they're showing those types of things, they're just selling the lifestyle, right? And that is one of the keys to marketing, is selling the lifestyle. But the thing is that no matter what products you buy, no matter what systems you join, no matter what coach you hire, if you're spending a lot of money, you're always going to be playing in the negative, and you're going to be playing in the negative until you actually close one of those big sales, right? So the key to internet marketing, the key to learning how to make money online or working from home or starting a business online is the foundation. You got to get the basics down, which is lead generation. Lead generation, no matter what you want to promote, that is the key to anything in this industry. Is if you can generate leads, if you can find leads, and if you can automate leads a little bit, and you can kind of systematically automate the process, that is going to take a whole lot of the learning curve away. I've looked at all the business models. Like I've pretty much bought everything there is on ClickBank. I bought everything there is at JVZoo. I bought everything there is to offer in terms of high ticket. I've done it all. And one of the things that I've understand is that there's really a really small number of people who can duplicate and grow their business. Most people, they just can't do it. And the reason why they can't do it is because they don't like to sell. They don't like to put in the work. Most people they need something that's affordable where they can make a lot of money so that they can scale it up, and at the exact same time start learning the basics and foundation of internet marketing. So this is a warning, more or less. I highly encourage you to be attentive about what you're spending money on. I'm not saying there's scams out there. I'm not one of those types of people who runs over and calls everything scams. No. If you're buying something, you're getting a digital product or a service or a coach, you're getting something in return for your money. The key here, though, is for you to take action. Are you taking action? Are you making use of the information that's been given to you? But I highly encourage you that be wary of what you're joining, be wary of what you're buying, and the reason why is because it's just, if you're forking out thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, there's no guarantee that you'll even make a simple sale, right? That's the one thing you got to understand. I used to sell high ticket offers. I did really well, no matter how much information or help or support I gave to people. They just couldn't comprehend taking action. They just couldn't do it every day. They don't realize that becoming a CEO or a home-based business owner, making money from the internet, that if you're doing those things, you're the CEO now. So there is no, this is, I'm only working 1-2 hours a week. You're working a lot harder than you are at a 9-to-5 job, because now you have to bust your butt so that you can make all this money, to cover all your bills and all those things, so you can supplement your income. So comes to the second part of this video. So the key here that I've understood, I'm stepping away from this industry for a while to work on my own products and stuff, which I'm doing very well at. But I've came across this one program. The program, very low cost, and very scalable. You make a lot. You can make a lot of money with this program, and it's not going to break the bank. The key, as I said before, is lead generation. So this is one of the what the business model is based under is lead generation, showing you how you can generate up to 100 leads a day for as little as $1 per day. So to me, that right there in itself should give you a no-brainer on whether or not you should check it out. You can click on the link. There's a link at the very top of my description that will redirect you to the YouTube video showing you exactly that it works, what you're gonna have to do, and how much you can get paid doing it. If that's not for you, so be it. No problem. Don't worry about it. But I do drop motivational content every week. You'll also get up-to-date stuff, information on what's going on the internet, what you need to stay away from, what you need to join, what you need to put your money into, how to be a better person. Because, I started in this industry with my welfare check, and I've turned that welfare check into a full-time income now, and I live a comfortable life. I'm happy. And, this is my full-time job. I do internet marketing. I do videos. I do coaching. I have my own products. I'm doing all these things because of my ability to turn my welfare check into a full-time income. So get a hold of me if you got any questions. You can check me out on my fan page there. There should be my Instagram link there as well. Subscribe to my channel. You won't be sorry for subscribing and getting lots of powerful information. I know what I'm talking about. I've been in this industry for a long time, so you're going to get authentic information showing you how you can make money online, or just showing you how you could be a better person, because I'm really highly involved in the personal development industry because I was able to develop myself, right? So, yeah, click on the link, subscribe, like the video, drop a comment if you got any questions, and I look forward to possibly working with you. Peace.